Welcome to my channel 9 freeinfinityjobs.com. Airports Authority of India Junior Executive Recruitment 2023 notification out for 496 posts. Registration begins November 1st. The Airports Authority of India has released a notification for the Junior Executive Recruitment 2023. Interested candidates can check the eligibility criteria and other important details here or on the official website at aai.aero. As per the recruitment schedule, the online application process for Junior Executive 2023 will be open from November 1st to 30. Through this recruitment drive, the Airports Authority of India aims to fill 496 vacancies for the post of Junior Executive. Air Traffic Control. Category posts: General 199, EWS 49, OBC 140, SC 75, ST 33. Total 496. Age limit. The maximum age of the applicants should not be more than 27 years as on November 30, 2023. However, the upper age limit is relaxable for reserved categories. Educational qualification: full-time regular bachelor's degree of 3 years in science, B.Sc, with physics and mathematics, OR. Full-time regular bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline. Physics and mathematics should be subjects in any one of the semester's curriculum. Pay scale: Junior Executive, Group B, E1 level, Rs. 0.40000 to 3%, 140,000. Download AAI Junior Executive Recruitment Notification. Selection process: the registered candidates will appear in an objective type online examination which will be followed by a document verification, voice test, psychoactive substances test, psychological assessment test, medical test, as applicable for the post. Note: there will not be any negative markings for wrong answers attempted by the candidates. Application fee: an application fee of 1,000 rupees is to be paid by the candidates through online mode only. However, the SC/ST/PWD candidates, apprentices who have successfully completed 1 year of apprenticeship training in AAI, female candidates are exempted from payment of fee. Fees once paid will not be refunded under any circumstance. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.